Now let us look into the how to calculate the rank of a particular matrix. The definition for rank of calculating the rank of a particular matrix is like, if in a minor, the greatest possible non-zero minor, okay, the greatest possible non-zero minor defines the rank of a particular matrix. Otherwise, in a row echelon form, the number of non-zero rows in a row echelon form determines a rank of a matrix. Let us look into this particular example, right? Consider a matrix like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so for a 3 cross 3 matrix, what is your minor? The entire the minor will be like the entire determinant of the matrix itself. So you will be having one minor for a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now for a 2 cross 2 matrix, how many minors are there? There are like 9 minors, right? Because there are 9 cofactors for a for one there are C11, C12, C13. There are 9 cofactors here. So this is one first cofactor, second cofactor, third. There are like different types of cofactors were there, right? 9 cofactors are there. Okay, 9 cofactors. So for A 2 cross 2, 9 cofactors. For A 1 cross 1, how many cofactors are there? Simply the entities itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 9 entities. So obviously the 9. Okay, there are like for a 3 cross 3, you are having one minor. For a 2 cross 2 matrix, like from here, the sub minors are 9 sub minors, and for a 1 cross 1, you are having 9 sub minors. Okay, here, if you take a determinant of a particular matrix, okay, the determinant is not 0. If the determinant is not 0 for a 3 cross 3 itself, okay, then the rank of the matrix is 3. Okay, the first stage, the greatest possible non-zero minor. So take determinant of the 3 cross 3 minor. If the determinant of the 3 cross 3 minor is non-zero, means it is a full dimensional matrix. So the rank of the matrix is 3. Let us consider this particular matrix. Here the determinant is not equal to 0. So the rank of the matrix is 3. Now the determinant is like 0 means, then obviously the rank of the matrix is not 3. It should be less than 3. Okay. Now if you are giving a 3 by 3 matrix, if someone is giving you a 3 by 3 matrix, okay, if the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix is 0 means, then obviously the rank of the matrix is not equal to 3. It will be like less than the number of dimensions of the matrix. Okay, the rank will be like less than the number of, less than or equal to, sorry, only less than 3. Now let us look into the minors, the matrix minors. So M3 cross 3 is 0. Now let us look into the, you have to see all the 9 minors. If any one of the minor is non-zero means, then the rank of the matrix is 2. Okay, so the first condition is you have to check the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, if the 3 by 3 matrix is non-zero means, then rank is 3. Okay, now the second condition, if 3 by 3 matrix is 0 means, okay, then the rank is less than 3. The first condition. Now let us look into the second condition. Here 3 by 3 is 0, so obviously the rank is less than 3. Now let's look the 2 by 2 minors. So there are 9 2 by 2 minors, right? Check all the 9 2 by 2 minors. If all of them, like if any one of the minor is non-zero, okay, if any one of the minor is non-zero means, then rank of the matrix is 2. Okay, then for a 2 cross 2, all 9 minors are 0 means, then rank of the matrix is not equal to 2. Then come to the third point. So now let us look into the 1 cross 1 entity. So obviously the rank of the matrix is not 2, it will be less than 2. Okay, now let us look into 1 cross 1. If all the 9 entities, all the 1 cross 9 entities, if any one of them is non-zero, okay, any one of them non-zero, then rank of the matrix is 1. If all of the 1 cross 1 is 0, then rank of the matrix is less than 1, which is obviously 0 itself. So from the definition, from the explanation what I have given, you can readily say that the rank of a null matrix is what? Suppose this is your matrix. The rank of the null matrix is 3 cross 3 is 0. Rank of 2 cross 1 for all the 9 elements, element 1 like element 2, element 3, if you consider all the 9 cases, it is 0. Rank of 1 cross 1 is also like all the entities are 0. So the rank of this particular null matrix is EA is equal to 0. Let us consider this particular matrix. What is the rank of this matrix? As you can see that the determinant of M3 cross 3 is 0 for this particular case. And if you look all the minors, if you take out all the minors, let me write the minors for you, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 minor, 0, 3, 0, 0, second minor, third minor, fourth minor, write all the 9 minors, okay? Write all the 9 minors, okay? 9 minus in a sense like eliminate the particular row and particular column, get the remaining value outside. That is your first minor, second minor. Everything will become 0. So the rank is not equal to 2. But one entity is non-zero, obviously. So definitely the rank of the matrix is 1. Okay. Now let us take this particular example. Okay. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. If you take a determinant of this particular matrix, okay, this definition very, very important, guys. This definition, note it down. Like a rank of the matrix for a square matrix means we have seen so far. For a rectangular matrix, for example, for a M cross N matrix, 3 by 4 or 2 by 3, okay, a rectangular matrix, the rank of the matrix is nothing but minimum of Mn. Okay, for example, a rank of 3 cross 4 matrix is nothing but it should be, the rank of the matrix will be like minimum of less than or equal to 3 only. Okay, either it will be 3 or it will be, the rank of the matrix will be less than 3. It cannot be 4. It can't be 4. Either it will be 3 or it will be lesser than or equal to 3. Let us look into some examples in the forthcoming sessions. Okay, let us consider this particular matrix. It's a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so the rank will be like, either it will be like 3 or less than 3. That is your first condition. Keep that one in mind. Now let us consider the determinant. If you take the determinant means obviously the determinant is 0. So determinant 0 means what it decides, the rank cannot be equal to 3. Then it will be like only less than 3. Okay, it will be only initially, like first condition gives you rank is less than or equal to 3. This condition it tells you rank cannot be 3. So it will be like only less than 3. Now consider the 2 by 2 minor. Let me take the first minor. First minor is like 1, 2, 2, 4. If you take the first minor means 2 cross 2 minor. It is giving 4 minus 4, it is 0. So this obviously gives 0. So directly you should not say that the rank will be, so 2 by 2 is 0, so rank will be 1. No. So the first minor is like 0. Now let us take the second minor, like out of 9. You have to check all the 9 minors. Okay, because as per the definition it is giving the greatest possible non-zero minor. Okay, out of 9, if any one minor is non-zero means the rank will be like the same dimension itself. Now consider the second minor, like 2, 4, 1, 1. So this will be my, let us consider this minor. The determinant of 2, 4, 1, 1 is nothing but 2 minus 4, it is minus 2. So it is not equal to 0. So which tells you what? The rank of the matrix is 2 itself. Okay. So this is the condition I have explained you before. The rank of the matrix is not, if the determinant of a particular 3 cross 3 matrix is not equal to 0 means the rank is 3. If it is equal to 0 means the rank cannot be 3, it will be only lesser than 3. So lesser than 3 means it can be 2, it can be 1. Let us check the determinant of all the 9 co-minors, 2 cross 2 co-minors. If any one of them is non-zero means the rank will be like 2. Okay. If all the M2 cross 2 is 0 means obviously the rank cannot be 2. Then we have to check all the entities of a matrix. If any one of the entity is like non-zero means the rank will be like 1. If all the entities are 0, even that case, if all the entities are 0 means the rank will be obviously 0. Let us look into this particular example. This is a rectangular matrix. Okay, rectangular matrix. The size is 3 by 4. From the size itself, what we can say, the rank of the matrix will be like less than or equal to the minimum of 3 or 4. So the rank of the matrix will be less than or equal to 3. That is the first condition we should keep in mind. Now the rank of the matrix is less than or equal to 3, right? Now let us check the condition for 3. So take all the minors of 3 by 3 matrix. So how many 3 by 3 matrix we can get it from here, from 3 cross 4? So the first 3 by 3 matrix is this. Okay, this is the first 3 by 3 matrix. Now What is your second 3 by 3 matrix? This is your first 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this is your second 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this particular matrix. Then this is like, consider this 2 under this column, your third 3 by 3 matrix, and consider the first 3 this one and this one. So you are having a 4 3 cross 3 matrix can be obtained from this particular matrix, right? Calculate determinant of all the 4 3 cross 3 matrix. As you can see here, the determinant of all the 4 goes to 0. So this is the maximum possible minus, right? We are getting only maximum 4 minus can be 4 3 cross 3 minus can be obtained from here. All the 4 are 0. So obviously the rank cannot be 3. So the rank will be, obviously it should be like less than 3. Now let us take, only one less than 3 means, let us consider any one co-minor, like one 2 cross 2 matrix from here, cofactor. Consider this. Okay, 0 minus 2. Okay, 0 minus 2. Or here he consider so 2 minus 1 0 1. Okay, I consider 2 minus 1 0 1, this matrix. So 2 0. So obviously the determinant is not equal to 0. So rank of the matrix is 2. This is like one method of solving a rank of the matrix. The other one is like